In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote generator in Notion. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're fairly new to Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple quote generator you can use for daily inspiration, creative writing prompts, or motivational reminders. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want your quote generator to live. This could be a dashboard, a journal, or a dedicated quotes page. Keeping it somewhere you visit often will make it easier to use regularly. Now, we're going to use a template from the Notion Marketplace. Look for the Marketplace section in Notion. Depending on your version, this might be labeled as Templates or Marketplace. Once you're there, use the search bar and type in Quote Generator. Be sure to type it carefully so Notion can find the right template for you. From the search results, look for a template that matches what you want. You're looking for something described as a quote generator or random quote system. It may include a small description explaining that it can show a different quote each time or help you rotate through stored quotes. When you find one that seems right, click on it to open the preview. Take a quick look at how it's structured so you know what you're adding to your workspace. Next, go ahead and select the quote generator template. There should be an option to add it or duplicate it into your own workspace. Click that button and Notion will create a copy of the template under your account. Depending on how large the template is, this may take a brief moment. Once it has been added, open the new page in your workspace. You should now see a ready-made setup, often with a database of quotes and possibly a formula or view that shows one quote at a time. From here, you can start customizing it. Replace any placeholder quotes with your own favorites, adjust categories or tags, and tweak the layout so it fits your style. After you've added your own content, try using the quote generator. Interact with whatever control it provides, such as refreshing a view or using a filter, to see a new quote. When everything works the way you like, you now have a personal quote generator in Notion that you can revisit whenever you need a bit of inspiration.